It's poppin' play boys. It's your boy Sean back again with another video. And as you guys can see, I got a GoPro. You feel me? Yeah. As you guys can see. But yeah, man. I just want to give you guys a little review of my Ktuner that I recently bought. And not really a review. I just want to show you guys how to install it. So, and I'm gonna show you guys how to disable rev hang if you guys have it for your knife gen. So yeah, man. Let's get it. Ugh. Open the door because it's hotter than a bed in here. I'm not gonna show you guys how to set it up because it's really simple to set it up. I'm just gonna show you guys how to disable rev hang and then, you know, give my little opinion on about how it feels without rev hang. Alright, so to get it all set up and stuff, you're gonna plug your Ktuner into your OBD2. Then once it's plugged in, is everything connected? No, nothing's connected. You wanna, don't turn your car fully on, but get into this mode right here, the accessories mode, and then everything's on. See, you gotta make sure this is getting it, because I don't know. Is it getting it? Oh, the sun's kind of blurry. As you can see, it's moving. So all right, cool. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna upload a new tune. You're gonna click on your model, click factory, next. Now I'm gonna do the factory bass tune, next. It's gonna take a while because my laptop's kind of slow. Now to disable rev hang, it's not like on the 10th gens when it just says rev hang and then you just disable it. You have to go to, is it VTech? No. Where is it? You have to go to fuel cut settings, and when you go to fuel cut settings, it's going to be overrun throttle. So what you want to do, you want to put that to 0. Once you put that to 0, should be like a save button. Just press upload, I guess. You just go upload it like that. So now we just wait. So everything here is gonna go crazy and stuff. Don't get scared. It's gonna take a while. Uploading.
5 minutes later.
Alright, so it uploaded. Now what you wanna do is flash the ECU. So what I basically did, I just saved it for saved it as a stock tune with just with disabled what's it called, disabled rev hang. So now I'm uploading to the ECU, as you guys can see. Now stuff is gonna be popping up right here, don't worry about that. That's just, it's flashing the ECU. So yeah, all right, so it's finished. So basically when it's finished, all you're gonna hear is a click from the relay, and you're gonna hear fuel pump prime. And then what you want to do is just read what it says. It says, please clear off the vehicle for a few seconds, then turn back on and wait a few seconds before hitting OK. So turn off. 1, 2, 3. Then just want to press OK. So now my car is tuned. Well, it's not tuned. It just basically doesn't have what's it called, rev hang anymore. So everything's fine. I'm on my chair again. Let's turn the car on. So yeah, everything looks like it's working perfectly fine. The car is cold, so So I'm gonna get back to you guys with a little drive when I get ready for work. Alright, so we back again for the review. See how it feels, how it feels to drive without rev hang. So I just put the stock, I just put the what am I talking about? I just disabled rev hang, so now I'm gonna see how it feels. Can't really do no pulls on the street. From me driving it from right now, it feels fine. Doesn't feel any different. Nothing feels different. I just wish this car would like speed up. Got in front of me to slow down. From me driving it from my house to the street, nothing feels different. It started up fine, drives fine. So I guess you really see the difference when you smash it on the throttle. But I can't smash on the throttle yet. So I'm in this goddamn street. I don't know what was up with this Honda next to me. The guy was speed racing all the way up here. It was a Honda? That's not even a Honda. What the fuck is this? That shit ugly. But yeah, once you get on the highway or I get like a free lane to just do a quick little pull, I'll tell you guys how I feel. What's the difference? For me driving it right now, it just feels better. Oh, that was a nasty shift. But yeah, the RPMs just fall quicker. That's what I noticed. Falls way quicker. Woo! What's wrong with this guy? What type of turn was that? So that's a little pull. Spent some tires there. Look like I spent through first. That's crazy. You know how long it been since I spent through first? Who? Alright, so I'm about to hop on the highway and get my real first pull. Difference without rev hang is crazy. Like I don't feel like it's holding me back now. I feel like this is just, you know, full power right now. Cause what's it called on with rev hang on, like it literally like while I'll shift, I'll watch the RPM just climb back up, then I'll go back into power, or go back to throttle. But without it, it's like it's like I don't know how to explain it. It just feels real different. Like you really have to try out my car or have a rev hang disabled on your car to really get what I'm saying. But it just feels more natural. That's what I'm trying to say basically. The car just feels way more natural. That's gonna be it for this video. I'm on my way to work, so you know, can't record nothing else. So your boy's out. Peace.